my loves. Thank you so much for being here. Reminder to make sure that you like and subscribe and share and follow and do all the things, push all the buttons, get the notifications, because this is still going all throughout June, and more videos to come, obviously. These are also not the only videos I'm posting, so make sure that you're checking through and seeing what you can get here. So today we are working on a pose called triangle pose or Trikonasana. It is another hip opener. It's closely related to your warrior poses, is kind of intense. So as always, I hope you are warmed up. If you are not warmed up, you know exactly where to go. Go back to the 30-minute warm up. Make sure that you have some heat in your body. You've gotten some movement in. And we're going to get started. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, fold all the way down. Touch the mat. Bend the knees. Inhale, halfway, lift flat back. Gaze down. Exhale, plant the hands down, and you're going to step back with your left foot only. You step back enough where you're stepping back towards the back end of the mat. As you bring that left heel down, you're going to turn the left toes out to the long edge of the mat. Right toes are still facing forward. If this is too low, you can grab a block, and now with a space, you can grab 2 blocks, obviously. This space is a little higher up, right? So your right hand is down on the block, right toes are reaching forward, left toes are out to the side, left hip is reaching up to the sky. We lengthen through that right leg as much as we can. If you feel like this is too much, it's too intense, bend in the knee is fine. I'll remind you, a bend in the knee is fine. Inhale here. Left hip up to the sky, left hand up to the sky. Gaze up to those left fingertips. Nice big inhale here. If you're feeling like you want to try a little bit more, we're going to reverse our triangle. So gentle bend in the knee, press into that right foot, lengthen all the way up, engage the core. You feel those obliques, right? So here we come up to T, and then I'm going to send my right arm up overhead and my left arm down the left side of my body, reaching back with that right hand. Think reverse warrior, right? But here, reversing our triangle. Long in that front hip now. Big difference there. Option to wrap that arm around the back into a bind. It can be comforting. It can be a lot on the shoulder. So it really depends on how that feels for your body. I'll turn around so you can see what that looks like. And reach. Okay. Then you try it on the other side. Facing the short edge of the mat. In front of you. Inhale, sweep the arms up, reach up nice and tall. Exhale, fold, touch the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, plant those hands down. This time we're stepping back with the right foot. As the right heel spins down, the toes spin out to the long edge of the mat. Keep that bending the left knee as long as you need to. Lengthen through the left leg, lengthen through the right leg. Right hip goes up to the sky. And again, you can lengthen all the way up and reach. Gaze up to your fingertips if you can. We're trying to keep a line here. We don't want to be reaching back, the back of your shoulder. You don't want to be reaching forward. It's just not giving you the work that you need. Straight up and down. It's hard to acknowledge. You might need a friend. You might need a mirror. Gentle bend in the front knee. Lift it all the way up. Woo. Right? And we're going to continue to reverse our triangle here. Reach. And then optional bind around the back. It's like you're hooking the pinky on the hip. And when you're ready, inhale it back to center. And you can release. Shift in the hips. Shake it out. If you feel like you want some more, you know where to go. There are other videos everywhere. And if you're looking for more poses and you have questions, things you want to know about, I suggest that you leave that in the comments.